Have you ever felt like your mind is a storm of thoughts racing in different directions, leaving you overwhelmed and unable to focus? Life throws so much at us: work, relationships, responsibilities, that mental clarity often feels like an elusive goal. I used to feel this way until I discovered an unexpected ally: artificial intelligence. In this video, I'll share my personal journey of using AI to regain focus, organize my life, and find the mental clarity I once thought was impossible. By the end of this story, you'll see how technology can be a game changer, not just for productivity but for peace of mind. How it all began. A few years ago, I hit a wall. My to-do list kept growing, my thoughts were scattered, and the stress began to take a toll on my mental health. I needed a way to cut through the noise. That's when I stumbled upon the potential of AI. At first, I was skeptical. AI seemed like something out of science fiction, far removed from the everyday challenges of managing a busy mind. But I decided to give it a try, and it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. Step 1. Organizing thoughts with AI tools. The first AI tool I explored was a digital note-taking assistant. Tools like Notion, Evernote, and Obsidian now use AI to organize thoughts more intuitively. Instead of manually creating categories and searching for lost notes, I could rely on AI to automatically categorize my ideas, highlight patterns, and even suggest connections I hadn't considered. For example, when I jotted down random thoughts about a creative project, the AI would organize them into themes and generate a cohesive outline. This simple step brought a surprising sense of calm. My ideas were no longer scattered across notebooks and sticky notes. They were clear and actionable. Step 2. Streamlining daily tasks. Mental clutter often comes from mundane, repetitive tasks, things like scheduling meetings, managing emails, or planning meals. I started using AI-powered assistants like Google Assistant and tools like Zapier to automate these processes. Zapier, for instance, connects different apps and automates workflows. I set it up to automatically save email attachments to a specific folder, create calendar events, and even remind me about deadlines. Suddenly, I had more mental energy to focus on bigger priorities. The constant buzzing of reminders and to-do lists faded into the background. Step 3. Journaling for mental clarity. One of the most transformative habits I adopted was AI-assisted journaling. Tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly helped me process my thoughts in a way that felt effortless. I would start by writing about my day or a specific challenge, and the AI would analyze my tone, identify recurring themes, and even suggest positive reframing techniques. For instance, on a particularly stressful day, I wrote about feeling overwhelmed. The AI gently suggested that I break down my challenges into smaller steps and focus on the ones I could control. This simple intervention helped me shift from a mindset of stress to one of empowerment. Step 4. Enhancing focus with AI. Focus was another major hurdle in my journey to mental clarity. I often found myself jumping between tasks, distracted by notifications or wandering thoughts. That's when I discovered AI tools designed to boost focus. Apps like Freedom and Serene use AI to block distractions, create focus-friendly environments, and even analyze your work habits. These tools helped me develop deep work sessions where I could fully immerse myself in one task at a time. I also used brain training apps like Lumosity to improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration. Step 5. Mindful AI for emotional well-being. AI isn't just about productivity, it can also support emotional well-being. I started using mental health apps like Wobot and Replika, which use AI to simulate conversations and offer emotional support. While these apps are no substitute for therapy, they provided a safe space to express my thoughts and feelings without judgment. One day, I felt particularly anxious about an upcoming presentation. I chatted with Wobot, which guided me through a series of cognitive behavioral therapy techniques. It reminded me to focus on the facts rather than my fears, which helped calm my nerves. Step 6. Learning and expanding my mindset. Another key aspect of mental clarity is the ability to learn and grow. I began using AI-powered learning platforms like Duolingo for language practice and Coursera for online courses. These tools adapted to my learning style, making it easier to absorb information without feeling overwhelmed. For example, when I wanted to learn about mindfulness, I took a course on a learning platform that used AI to recommend resources, track my progress, and quiz me on key concepts. This structured approach helped me stay engaged and motivated, building a sustainable routine with AI. One of the most significant lessons I've learned is that consistency is key. AI tools helped me establish a sustainable routine by sending reminders, tracking habits, and providing insights into my progress. Final thoughts. Using AI for mental clarity has been a transformative journey for me. It helped me organize my thoughts, simplify my tasks, and reclaim my mental energy. But more than that, it taught me the importance of intentionality, using technology not as a crutch but as a catalyst for growth. If you're feeling overwhelmed or stuck, I encourage you to explore the possibilities of AI. Start small, experiment with different tools, and see what works for you. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Mental clarity isn't a destination, it's a journey. And with AI by your side, it's a journey worth taking.